Hey guys, it's Derek and Danny with the Survivalists. We are currently at Pixley Falls doing a little bit of hiking. I'll actually give you guys first person view so that way you guys can see and enjoy the hike with us. And I'll probably do a little documentary, who knows. But anyway, I'll get to the hike and show you guys what we're doing. Yeah, I got a big old log right here. Come on, Johnny.
Good boy.
One good thing about having dogs with us.
Good boy.
So yeah, as you can see, we got somewhat of a well-beaten path, so that way we know where we're going.
It could definitely use some TLC, but
Yeah, but I mean, at least it's nice out here, though. We got a nice sunny day, which is good.
not too cold.
Yeah.
It's actually warm enough for shorts, and that's coming from me.
Johnny? Johnny, come on.
Good boy.
Johnny!
You gotta also realize, honey, he's coming to mommy.
Yes.
That's all he wants right now. Is he wants to be with mommy and Kissy.
Yeah. But, yeah, as you can see, there's
No penguin.
terrain where it's hilly, rocky.
This is an area where you definitely want to be careful, because if
Yeah.
you take one wrong step, you're gonna end up with a twisted ankle.
Yep. Or broken leg.
Tripped by a hound dog.
Yeah.
Catch.
And keep in mind, if you're out hiking, especially areas that you don't really know, it's good to have a map of the area along with a compass, which is a couple of things I don't have right now. Johnny, come on. But a couple of things I do have is the knowledge and the sun, in which most anybody would know. Careful, Johnny. Is the sun rises in the east, sets in the west, and you can orient yourself from that. But and I'll probably talk a little bit more about that later. Right now I'm just gonna enjoy the hike, the scenery. At least we have some bridges.
Yeah. Makes it nice. Come on, Kissy.
Yep. Definitely makes it easier.
Oh, there's some TLC. Look at that.
Yeah. And see, I mean, if it weren't for the bridges, we'd be going through some mud and some possible twisted ankles.
Yeah, I get injured easily, so nothing.
Yeah. No, even some of the bus hikers get injured. Come on, Johnny, slow down.
Well, Johnny, if you stopped pulling, maybe you wouldn't be panting so hard.
Johnny, easy.
I think the next trail goes up.
Yeah. Well, that is definitely one thing you'll learn about hiking, is sometimes it gives you a little bit of a workout.
Good girl. And worst case scenario, the dogs will just pull you up the hill.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, Johnny.
Yep, and a muddy spot.
Yeah, I wouldn't turn.
Yeah. But yeah, you can see there's still a little bit of snow on the ground,
Come on, Johnny.
even though it's fairly nice.
Come on, let's go. It's April in upstate New York, of course.
Yeah, midway through April. It's actually...
Careful of the ice patches.
Yeah. Actually fairly warm. It's about like 60-ish. Close to it out right now.
The further up we go, the warmer it's gonna get.
Yeah.
It may get colder. Depends.
Slow down, Johnny.
June bug.
Johnny.
Heel. June. Come on. Now you can walk. Okay, June, you can chill.
Hey, Johnny. Johnny, come on. Johnny.
Oh, dude, we could have gone downward.
Yeah. Yeah, no, the trail splits. And as you can see...
I can see the bridge now.
Yep. There's a bridge right down there near the bottom.
Oh, well, I can use the cardio.
Yeah.
Want some water?
Yeah, I'll use a little water. Come here, Johnny.
You want some water too, baby? June bug.
And yes, one thing to have is a backpack. Which benefit.
Johnny, cat.
Johnny, come here.
Freaking knucklehead.
Come here, Johnny. Johnny, sit. Johnny, sit. Okay, that works.
Not really, because you didn't listen.
Nope.
Johnny, hey, Johnny.
Johnny.
Stop it. Come here. Hey, you want this? Look, look. Johnny, there you go. Johnny. No, he doesn't.
Yeah.
Done?
Another benefit of collapsible bowls.
Well, you know, we're going to continue to hike. We'll catch up with you guys further in. So,
Yeah, we'll continue our journey. We'll keep you posted. We'll actually show you some more of our adventures. Alright, we'll keep you posted. Stay tuned, click like, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoy.